and welcome to video 7 in the Primo teaching series for the grade 1 piece Toccatina. In this video we will be looking at bars 15 to the end of this piece, hands together, and then look at bringing the whole piece together as a whole as well, and doing the linking passages from bars 8 to 9 and then 14 to 15 and then finally to the end. Okay, so we're going to start with the left hand in bars 15 to the end. So we've just done, in bars 14, that left hand passage on the B. So it ends on the E. So this is this part here, that's where I'm going from. And then there's another E, so it goes E2 and then E, and then it steps up to F, and then you hold it for 4 beats, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then bars 17 to 18, it's just 2 E's going 1, 2, but then you flick over to your thumb, 1, 2, and then you end with your little finger on the low A for 4 beats, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, nice and easy. So we'll do it again from bar 14 because it makes more sense. And then 1, 2, 1, 2, step up to F, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then back to E, 1, 2, switch your thumb, 1, 2, and then end on A, 1, 2, 3, 4. So do it one more time. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then back down to E. 1, 2, thumb, 1, 2, and then end on the A. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice and easy. So now we're going to look at the right hand. So the right hand, so it starts on E, and you notice you've got 2 sharps immediately. So F sharp, G sharp, and then you go up to high C, and what you've really got to do is pay really strong attention to these fingerings here, because this will really help you play this passage, because in this bar here, bar 16, you have to hold that A over these 2 notes that you're playing underneath as well. So you have to hold that A and then play the 2 notes underneath. So you need to really pay attention to the fingering so that you're able to do this section here. So we're just going to go through this. So it goes 1, 2, 3. So E, F sharp, G sharp. Then your little finger on the high C, and then it's 5, 3, 1. So 5, 3, 1, and then your 4th finger on that G sharp again, because you've just played it, and then it's so noticing how I'm holding my pinky there and I'm playing 2 notes, E, D. So I'm kind of sustaining that little finger and my pinky and then playing these 2 notes underneath. Okay, so I'm going to do that bar again. So this is bar 15 and 16. 2, 3, little finger stretches up to the high C. 5, 3, 1, and then 4th finger over the thumb. And then you got a 2nd finger on E, little finger on A, 2, and then holding. 1, 2, 1, 2. And then when you do that, let's do bar 17 to 18. It's very, very similar, but one slight difference. So it starts back on the E and then stretches up to the C, and then little finger back on the B, and then your thumb goes all the way down to middle C, and then your 4th finger is on that A, which is right next door. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you end on an A minor chord. So shall we do bars 17 to the end again? So start on the E, so it's F sharp, G sharp, and then C. Switch up to high C. And then your little finger, so not your fourth finger, your little finger goes to B. And then your thumb stretches all the way down to middle C, and then your fourth finger is right next to the B on the A. 2, 3, 4. Okay, one more time. Stretch up to C, and then little finger, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to do from bars 15 again in the right hand to the end, so you can see how they link together. So they both start on E. So it's 1, 2, 3, stretch up to C. 5, 3, 1, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, rest. E. Fifth finger, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I'm going to do a light tap. 1, 2, 3, 4, rest. 5, 3, 1, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the end. Okay, I'm going to do this again. 1, 2, 3, 4, rest. 5, 3, 1, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So now we're going to do this hands together. So it's probably easiest to start with the phrase just before bar 15 in the left hand. So so it goes E, E, and then when your little finger reaches the C, that's when you play the E again. And then when you do that chord in the right hand, you then move up to the F in your left hand. 1, 2, 1, 2. So it's kind of a suspense chord. And then it goes back to the E for bar 17. A, E. And then the A and the E again. Sorry, the C and the E. And then you end on that. So that is an A minor chord there. 2, 3, 4. And then that's the whole ending. Okay, so I'm going to do that from bar 14. E, E, and then E and C. And then the chord 1, 2, 1, 2, holding that A with the pinky, and then back to the E, E. And then E and C. Down to 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, one more time. Ready with your E's. E, E. 1, 2, 1, 2. Back to the E's. E, E. 2, 3, 4. Well done. So now we're going to have a brief look at the dynamics and articulation for this ending section. So this ending section here, so you've got a big crescendo that was started in this left-hand passage. Crescendo here, so and then the loudest is this sustain chord, da, da, loudest, and do a decrescendo, and do decrescendo all the way to the final chord, which is P, quiet. And you can see here it says molto rit. So molto rit means really, or much, really getting slower. So rit is short for ritardando, which means gradually getting slower. So you really have to get very slow. So you're kind of getting very slow towards the end and gradually fading into this last chord, which is really quiet. So I'll just show you how that could sound. So it goes... 2, 3, 4. I'll do that one more time. So... 2, 3, 4. So that was gradually getting slower and quieter at the same time. Okay, so now we're just going to talk about bringing or linking the passages together that we've just done. So we've done blocks 1 to 8, 9 to 14, and then 14, 15 to the end. So I thought I'd just briefly go through the link passage between 8 to 9. So this is the... So what's great from 8 to 9 is that you end on the A, and then you just have to switch your thumb over to go into that passage. So you're basically already there. Okay, so I'll do that again. So this is from the bar 7 to 8, you go... A, and then you hop over onto the thumb, and then you start this passage. Okay, and then another linking passage is basically what we've just done, 14 to 15. So you go, should go from 13, which goes on the F, E. Yeah, so it's E. So when we're talking about the A, G, F, E. So that's like the linking passage there. Okay, so, and that is now the whole piece all the way through in each section. So now I'm just going to play from bars 9 to the end. So I'm going to play it twice so you can have a playthrough as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'm just going to play that again for you from bar 9. Remember the A's? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I did miss out the G sharp in that bar 15 there, but I've gone through where to play the G sharp in that bar anyway. So yes, now the next and final video will be playing it all the way through in a couple of play-alongs.